What is going on to the AMC stock group? In today's video, we are going to be talking about the AMC share price for tomorrow, July 20th. However, first off, what I would like to say is that if you guys click the link in my description, and I barely talk about this, but I need to talk about it right now because right now we are at a very crucial price level for AMC, and I've been saying this for the past few days. But anyways, Webull is doing a really amazing program, and I believe it expires on July 20th. So there's just one more day left. And so you guys deposit $5 and then you guys will get 2 free stocks. Before it was 100. So that's why I'm bringing it up today, because before you had to deposit $100, whereas now they made it so easy that it's just $5 and then you get your 2 free stocks. So even if you do not want to transfer all of your AMC shares to Webull, which is what I did not want Robinhood to capitalize off of the AMC movement by basically allowing Citadel to understand how many shares we are buying and selling every single day. So therefore I decided to transfer all of my Robinhood AMC shares to Webull. And so even if you guys do not want to do that because let's say you somehow like the Robinhood user interface better, then that is fine. You can definitely keep all your AMC shares on Robinhood. However, you can also just create a very easy Webull account. So with that being said, enough with that. Let's go ahead and now talk about the AMC share price. So what happened today? Right now, the yearly chart is very good. The reason why is because we now have a very solid foundation and it is becoming even more clear that there is some sort of demand zone for this stock. And so with this demand zone, we now know that we have a clear demand zone at around the $30 level. Now, I know AMC did not go to $30 a share exactly yet, and that is totally fine. And even when AMC was around $32 a share at this candle right here, I stated that the psychological level that I think a lot of people will start buying AMC at is not $32 a share. It is not 31. It is actually going to be 30 because psychologically that is a level that a lot of people do not want AMC stock to break. Why does no one want AMC stock to break that $30 level? Because that would put AMC right back at the $20 range. Now, even let's say AMC stock was at $28 a share. This is just an example. Let's say it broke the $30 support level or the $32 support level. What is going to happen is there's going to be a lot of fear created just because even though AMC is still in the high $28 range and very close to that $30 range that it was just at, a lot of people will still have a lot more fear with AMC in the $20 range, regardless of if it is in the very high $20 range, let's say $28 a share, which is actually very close to 30, but that is irrelevant because again, the $20 range, regardless of what number it is still going to create a lot of fear. So therefore, still the $30 level, that is still going to be the demand zone. And remember, this is just my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor, but so far everything has been working pretty greatly for AMC stock. And I'm actually very happy about all the dollar cost averaging levels that I have added to. And so the first dollar cost average level that I added to was around the $3 range. And then I averaged up to 5, and then I averaged back to $15 a share. However, this is all irrelevant because when AMC stock had that parabolic run to the upside, I actually decided to add on to my existing shares, and so I decided to add more to AMC stock at the $51 a share range. That is just because we had a lot of consolidation around the $51 range, and I stated that I thought AMC stock, even though I dollar cost average at $51 a share, I thought it was going to go to 38. Now, was I 100% sure AMC stock was going to go to 38? Was there a 100% guarantee that it was going to go to exactly $38 a share? No, that is why we dollar cost average. So we dollar cost average in the beginning, we dollar cost average at the $51 share price, and then we dollar cost average again at the $38 a share range. That was another demand zone because it definitely held the support not once but ended up going twice, but then it ended up breaking. And so the next demand zone that I may be dollar cost averaging for AMC stock would be the $30 share range. And I will see again tomorrow whether AMC stock decides to have a dip in the morning because I may enter over there. Because what I am also starting to understand with AMC stock is that there is starting to become more positive volume. What do I mean by that? Well, the volume for AMC stock has continuously been decreasing on the year-to-date chart. Not only do we have the volume increasing, but we also had a negative sentiment towards this stock just because there was a lot more red candles than green. However, now we are starting to see that there's actually a lot more bullish candles in the volume bars, and so therefore they are green. And not only that, but it looks like the volume is actually rising. Now, why is this volume starting to rise all of a sudden for AMC stock? There are many answers to this. One of those answers would be because AMC stock is extremely close to approaching its ultimate demand zone so far. And not only that, but the expectations for AMC stock for tomorrow, July 20th, this stock will go higher. Now, that is just my opinion. And so, what price targets, right? Well, first off, I don't really like to give out price targets just because these price targets that I'm about to say, they are nowhere near close to my ultimate price targets for this stock. And that is the unfortunate part about price targets, because let's say my price target for tomorrow is $38 a share. $38 a share is nowhere near my ultimate price target for this stock. And for all the subscribers to the channel, you guys already know that we have price targets of $80 a share, $100 a share, and even higher. Just because the price is down, that doesn't matter. If we had price targets before when we were buying at $3 a share, $5 a share, $15 a share, those price targets that we had back then are still going to be kept the same. Just because the share price has decreased slightly over the past few days does not mean that the price targets are just going to end up changing. And so with that being said, I think that tomorrow, July 20th, which also is a Tuesday, I think that AMC stock will actually go down in the open. And again, remember, this is just my opinions. I'm not a financial advisor, but I think that AMC stock will go down in the morning just for a little bit. Just for a little bit, and then I think that it will end up having a movement to the upside. And so with this upwards movement, I think that AMC stock will have the possibility of retesting the $36, almost $37 a share price range. Now, with that being said, I also think you could just round that to $38 a share because that is our resistance level. So with that being said, I think that AMC will probably go down tomorrow in the open, and I'm going to be explaining why I think it's going to be going down in the open tomorrow. It will probably go back down to maybe around the $32 to $33 share range in the open, and then from there I think that it will have a bounce, and then it will start to go up to the upside and then go all the way back to either retesting the $35 level, because let's say it decides to have a gap down, because I'm going to be explaining why it may have the potential to have a gap down in the morning. But let's say it goes back to its ultimate support level around that $33 share price. It is definitely going to take some time before AMC stock decides to go completely parabolic in one day. So therefore, I think that definitely one resistance level, and I'm going to be talking about two resistance levels, but one of them is going to be the $35 share price range. And then the next price target for tomorrow would also be that $38 a share. $38 a share should be that ultimate price target that should be focused on every single day of the week, just because right now AMC stock is in a consolidation phase. What does that mean? This consolidation phase is going to be 100% consistent of the $38 share price and the $30 share price. The reason why is because $30 a share was the demand zone, and the reason why $38 a share was also extremely significant for the stock is because that is the resistance zone. It used to be a support level, but now since we are trying to break above $38 a share, that is our resistance zone. And so therefore, as long as AMC stock can stay between this level of the $30 share price and the $38 share price, that is amazing, and that is actually going to be better for AMC stock than it going, let's say, above this level, above the $30 level, and then actually end up closing below the $30 level. With AMC stock, there needs to be a daily candle above the $38 share price, so that will confirm that AMC stock has a lot of strength and that we have officially passed the first resistance level, which would be at the $38 share price, which again is why that share price is so significant. And with that being said, thanks again for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.